How's it going to all you happy campers out there? Today I'm going to give you the rundown on how to replace everything on your Thermacell Mosquito Protection Zone deal here. So I will show you how to replace your butane, which is the fuel for it, and your mosquito repellent mat that you can see here. So these come separately. You've got the butane cartridge refill, and then you've got the actual repellent here. This is the repellent, this is the fuel, so make sure you get both. The fuel will last 12 hours. Each one of these mats lasts 4 hours, it says. So first let's show you how to put the butane in. It tells you to press the bottom here, so we'll press this, it comes right off. And then we will screw in the butane cartridge into the hole here. And this just screws right in, like that. And we will cap it. And your butane's replaced. By the way, make sure you do everything after this is cooled down, because the butane heats up the metal, and the metal heats up the mat, and the mat gives off the fumes to keep the mosquitoes away. So we've got our mat here. Let's see, it's just this blue rectangle here. And we have a spent one in here. I don't know if you can see that, but it is all used up. So you'll think, how am I going to get this thing out of there? You will just take it and slide the other one out. It pops right out. Now you're ready to go. Now to start it, just take it, turn it to on. Then you have to wait about 10 seconds, and you'll click this button right here 5 times, and that'll ignite the butane. So let's see. You hear it. It actually lit on the first time, but it says 5 to be sure. Now that it's active, 10-15 minutes later, it's supposed to create a 15 by 15 dome around where you are to keep mosquitoes away, and it actually does work. So you put it in the middle of your picnic table, keep everybody nice and mosquito free. Well, thanks for watching. If you got any questions about this Thermacell, just leave them in the comments, and have fun camping.